Here we are again with the countertop. Just thought I'd show you how we pour it. Got our tape there for when it comes over the side. We got our tape here to keep it from going over the side until we're ready for it to. And we got the door up that I painted with my lovely wife over there. And now the animals can't come in here and track through the house. The kids are at school, so they can't come and touching it. Of course, the 18-year-old's still here. Hopefully he don't jump on it. But let's go get our epoxy. 3/4 of both gallons are going on the countertop in the house. So it's going to be 1.5 gallons that goes towards that countertop. Now I got 2 gallons, so easy enough. Go by this dot right there. Nope. This will make it look like rock. This diamond dust here. Just stir it for a long time. Switching directions. Now you see, this one actually, this white looks a little whiter than the other light white. Gives it more of a rock texture, man. If you had it perfectly mixed every time, it'd look kind of plain, I think. 2 different colors whites. I got more white in one than I did the other. Now, all the dry spots touch to where the fluid runs into each other, levels out. Now you see how I messed it up last time? Ugh, fuck.
Oh, with the dots.
God damn it.
That's okay, babe.
Jesus Christ, man. Make all these videos look so easy.
Yeah.
And wherever you messed it up, kind of make it look like a marble. Dragging the white back through the black. Because I'm a pro at doing this. I know exactly what I'm doing. Look goofy, I guess. It's not going to look like the rock I wanted it to.
It looks like tire stripes.
Case scenario happened where some of the tape came off and unglued. Some of it fell down the dam and it goes under there and it gets underneath the fucking plastic and shit. I don't know how much that's on the actual flooring. I know there's some over there. So in the middle of this, I have to re-dam this whole thing and get that fucking shit off the flooring and re-tape everything and re-plastic everything before we pull the dams, or else we're going to completely ruin this floor. And that really sucks. But it's still fixable. It sucks. What happens when you're a DIY expert? It is going to look really fucking cool. Look at that shit. It's going to fucking look groovy as fuck. But you know, I gotta put on gloves and clean this up. I'll show you how much of a fuck up it is here in a little bit.
I thought we don't do that until
Well,
we leave.
trying to make sure that all of it has with it and it breaks the surface tension and makes it run over it smoother. there. Oh, all that. Some of it I'm kind of paranoid it don't have enough to flow over. So what do you think? Is it a hold my beer kind of thing? See the bubbles disappear now? See this? Watch these bubbles. The more of them bubbles you pop out, the smoother it'll be. You don't want to use a heat gun. That's because it'll make big dips in the epoxy from the fan that's on it. The heat, it's just taking out the little bubbles. You can see right there where it needs some epoxy. That sucks. Now this one here, I kind of forgot to come and pop the bubbles. Now it's 4 hours later. And here's the deal. You heat it up, watch, it turns the stuff into liquid. These holes go bye-bye. Holes go bye-bye. We got all the bubbles out, but the texture isn't exactly the smoothest. It's after sitting for 4 hours and forgetting to take off the tape dams and forgetting to scrape off the edges, forgetting to make it go over the edge. We'll see. Alright, here's the black one I messed up on. There's still a little bubble here and there. And you can see that, like there's little dips here and there. I think it'll be alright. I think the black looked really good. Get it out here in all its glory so you can see the sparkles. The diamond dust. And this is going over there. So that's that. Show you the other one. All right, and here we go. Let's see how it's nice and smooth. Feels pretty hard. I think it looks pretty cool though. This one over here has an extra layer of ultimate top coat. So it's not shiny like this is. Everything, and I put that on there. Yeah, you can definitely feel this a little bit harder. But I like the way that one looks better. So we ain't gonna worry about the ultimate top coat on this one. I'm just gonna put it back together. All right, now just gotta put all doors and drawers in it, and then it'll be ready to put crap in. Then I can situate my kitchen how I want it to and put all the handles on. You know, I'm gonna have them silver handles on everything. So still gotta put all that on and do some touch-up painting. Then I gotta work on the backsplash. But you know, you want to like and follow. You just know you do. Subscribe that thing. Back that thing up.